Patient's name is Kaylee, and she's 7 years old. Let's see if she has any cavities. Open up. And close. She has some pretty obvious cavities. So let's mark yes, and I counted 5 cavities. We're going to do some further examining, a cleaning, and we're definitely going to have to drill, and maybe pull a tooth. Reminders? Oh yeah, all of these for sure. Let's just grab all the supplies that I need. Definitely the pick, and the drill. Toothbrush and toothpaste, tooth polish, floss, and rinse. And then we'll grab the cup for her to spin in. First we need to use the rinse, and honestly, we're going to have to use all of it. So, close. Okay, now spit into this cup. He just spit all the water on my face. Okay, open again. I can tell you one thing, and I'm going to tell you that you really need to brush more. Looking at all the cavities and your really bad breath, you never brush. So now let's just kind of pick around and see if there's any plaque. Where did you come from? This one was not there before. Sorry if this hurts. There's a lot of plaque down here by your gums. You know, let's just scrape on your gums. And up here too. There's a hair. Do you want bubblegum flavored tooth polish or do you want shit flavored tooth polish? You know, I would let you pick which one you wanted, but I'm just going to give you the shit one. Close. Okay. I'm going to give you this pill and it's going to make you go to sleep. Perfect. Okay, let's just open her mouth. If she were awake, she would hate this part. Let's get this one down here. I guess she was a little too relaxed. Oh, and there's one over here. Okay, everything looks good. Up here. Yeah, apart from all the hair, her teeth look really This is why your last dentist got rid of you. This is why your mom doesn't love you. Your dad? Oh wait, you don't have one. Get out of my dentist! Wait. Hey, yo, is that $150? Oh, hell yeah. He's still paying me after all that. Wow.